Oh, here we go. Today's the day. Me and Dazzle's walking up, the boys are coming. It's JCB day. So you're saying aim at the trees, let it come round. Is that what you're saying? I truly believe everyone has to have a 7 wood in their bag.
Not that far left though.
Where is it? On wheel left?
It's gone, Simon.
Okay. We have to dig. Right over the buckets, come on. Perfect.
Perfect on the top of the room.
Oh, right.
If I can even find
Happy
it.
with that. Little cookie again. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's not brilliant. I'm glad I zoomed in on the green, that was pointless. Absolutely. Quite light. Bouncing.
Super aggressive.
I wasn't going that way. I was trying to. Could be bunker. Miles long. That's a 52 degree. Right. Top of that hill.
Top of the mound, I think. 50-50.
Right. Aim at the tree, hopefully let the wind push it. Oh, I've gone left, snap hook, double cross. That's sausage roll, that is. That's gone. There's the wind pushing it away from the hole. Just right in front of my shot tracer, if that's okay. Left of the green.
It's actually coming down towards the green. Yeah.
Pretty sure that's the perfect line. I hope. Smooth greenwood. Just nice and easy. Oh, it's got to go. Woo.
Celebrate too early, Simon.
Take a 5. Oh, pulled it. Sandy. Sandy.
Wentworth. They wouldn't know. Over that bunker, you're just down in that little dip. I'm afraid of it.
It's getting tight as well.
I think we're both in danger.
You just hold that for 1 second. We're now heading to the 17th hole, the famous 17th hole, JCB. It's tough in this wind, isn't it? At 20 mile/hour gales. Is it into wind or not into wind? Here we go. How good does this look?
Sweet.
Island green.
Oh, we're quite
low, which is good. Oh, it's quite nice and friendly down here, it's okay. After the yellows, it's quite friendly. 17th JCB. I can subscribe. Can't even remember to say it.
177. Oh,
19.
like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Right, come on. Smooth.
Oh, that's one left. Straight over, I think. Straight over the top. Shame, yeah. 2 lost balls. I pulled mine left. I think it went over the green on the left in the water. Have a look, but I'm sure it's gone. It's over there. That's a 20 mile/hour wind.
Well, you could shape it around the tree, I suppose.
Bunker? Maybe? Are you going right at that bunker?